Hello, I'm CJ Cunningham. I'm from Chantilly District, Manchester. I'm 28 years old and I'm a farmer.
Ar-
So this is my farm where we have a greenhouse structure and we have sweet peppers in this greenhouse currently. So as you can see, these are some lovely bell pepper and they are California wonders. Where at this area we have some lettuce as well. These are some lovely lettuce that we have, and these will be ready in the next 2 to 3 weeks time. And we have some lovely strawberries over here. I can zoom in a little. We also have seedlings such as sweet peppers, thyme. We have herbs such as oregano. We have mint plants such as peppermint and black mint as well.
Okay, and these are what time?
We have some thyme over here, so
Oh,
this is a little nursery,
okay.
so we can get to propagate our thyme,
All right.
so that we'll be able to have thyme consistent.
Okay. All right. So you're the Prime Minister Youth Award D for Agriculture.
Yes.
So what motivated you to go into agriculture?
Agriculture for me was something of nature. I always planting stuff. I have the green thumb.
Oh, the green tongue.
Yes.
Okay.
So my mom always calling me to plant seeds or main plant, anything relating to planting. So I never shy away from planting stuff. So it was just natural for me. Until I decided I always plant like sweet peppers over that era, and in 2020 COVID-19 I started with strawberries. And strawberries show me that I can continue with farming on a more wider scale and I can gain more profitability from it. So I decided that I just want to move forward with farming and owl. So I improve on how I do strawberries and other crops. And that is the reason why I have sweet peppers over there and I have tomato plants in that greenhouse. I have cabbages as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's not common, very common for young people your age to be involved in farming. What message do you want to send to young people regarding agriculture?
Well, as a youngster, I believe that if you are someone who passionate about farming, or if it, if it's not a case where you're passionate or you want to do it, you just have to set a goal. Once you set a goal, then you work towards that goal. And once you are consistent, once you're dedicated, and you believe in yourself, you can see way a wider. You can see great results from the work that you put in, and that would encourage you because they say encouragement sweeten labor. So if you should plant some strawberries and you make a good amount of money, you're going to want to continue. You understand? And then you're going to perfect your craft. You're going to always improve and try to do better. And that's the only way you're going to strive for greatness. You're going to be a role model to others. Persons is going to actually see your work and they're going to commend you. They're going to feel inspired as well. So you just have to set goals and just work towards them.
So, what does the Prime Minister Award means to you, means for you? What does it mean for you?
It means a lot for me because I've made a lot of people proud. I'm proud myself, but I'm feeling great to know that I can be a role model for others, and so others can also look up to me and say that you have worked hard and you have earned this toward your hard work and all of that. And it's just another added reason for me to just keep pushing for more greatness. Because I always wanted to be somebody great. I always have that passion, want to make a difference. Making a difference for me is something that I always pray for. Yeah.
So what do you do with these produces? Do you sell them, or do you have a company or something?
Alright, so these produces we sell them to local market vendors, and also other persons who have farm that they would want produces to add to their produces to send to other persons. So we cater for those persons as well. Persons in the community we sell to them as well. Yes.
Okay. So is the hope to go on a wider scale, to
The
expand?
vision is always to go on a wider scale. Because if my philosophy is I live to improve. And when you live to improve, you're gonna always want to improve. You're gonna always want to strive for better and more development, more achievement and all of that. So the end goal is always to improve, getting better, getting more out of what we're doing.